How to replace valve springs on LS style heads. My example will be done on a pretty sloppy 706, so you're going to get a valve spring compressor tool. I prefer this type because you can use them with the head on or off of the block. So first thing you're going to do is tighten this down to the head, then you're going to tighten this nut to cut pressure on your springs. So when tightening this down, you want to use a socket and ratchet. If you use an impact, you're going to increase the heat in this bolt and increase the likelihood that it snaps and flings things at your sealing. If you wanted to do this while the head was still in the engine, then you would fill your cylinders with compressed air to keep the valves closed. Once your springs are compressed, you can go ahead and push the valve up and pull out your keepers and set them aside. Next, we will release the pressure so that we can get our springs and retainers out. Now that there's obviously no spring pressure, I can remove my old springs and place my new ones in. These are Pack 12/18s for 600 lift. Now we're going to tighten the springs back down over the valves so we can put our keepers back in. When releasing pressure for the final time, you may have to use a screwdriver or something just to keep everything straight. And now I'm on to the last ones.